guys, welcome to today's vlog. We are headed to Magic Kingdom today for the Keys to the Kingdom tour. So I won't be able to take any videos for like 5 hours, but we're so excited. Oh, and I have on my shirt that my mom made today. I can't get a good angle, so I'll just post a selfie. Pressed pennies for our daughter.
They're warm.
You got 8 of them?
Yep. We're gonna bring her home a ton of them.
She's gonna love it. Ended the Keys to the Kingdom tour. It was amazing. Now Luke's gonna ride Tron. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm doing the carousel while Luke goes to ride Tron. Hot.
You know, with our new Crosley radio set,
Points my best score yet.
Well, it was peaceful until Santa brought that new virtual reality space pilot game.
Your turn, Grandma. Let's switch the image over to the TV so the resident flying ace can show you how it works.
So how was it? I gotta get
Good.
It's good.
Wasn't as good as Guardians.
Not as good as Guardians.
We ended our time in Tomorrowland by riding the TTA, which is one of our favorite rides. It's a must ride every time we're there.
A casino ever returns. And Star Traders. Transfer to green and red line. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future.
Trying the cheeseburger spring rolls. So we're trying the regular ones and the ham and cheese. That is as good as everybody says. Did you like it?
Very much.
Which one do you like better?
Probably the cheeseburger one. They're both really good.
By this time, it was late afternoon, and it was time for us to spend some time in Adventureland and Frontierland.
Sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place.
We took the train to Main Street right in time for an afternoon storm, which happens almost every summer afternoon in Florida. But it was cool because we were there just in time to see the flag retreat ceremony. And then we headed back to Tomorrowland.
That's Luke's score. I think I did something wrong. I hate this ride. You're mean.
Of course, I had to get a Dole Whip, especially since I was pregnant and really craving one.
I got my Dole Whip, which is halfway eaten. Luke's gonna try an orange one because I was looking for those. Lovely.
And then we decided to do our gender reveal picture. The funny thing is, we weren't going to find out the gender until a couple days after we got home, so we actually took the same picture with the pink balloon. We spent a lot of money on balloons that day, but then we gave them away to kids, so that was kind of special. We were so exhausted at this point, we just found a quiet little corner and decided to chill and enjoy the Main Street vibes until fireworks. After fireworks, we headed back into the park and closed it down. So we were truly there from rope drop till fireworks. We were exhausted, but it was so much fun. And as you can see by my Apple Watch, we had walked 9.62 miles that day, over 24,000 steps. I was like 19 or 20 weeks pregnant at the time, so it was a very exhausting day. I think we overdid it just a little bit. So the next day we had a nice rest non-park day, so stay tuned for that.